Hey guys, it's Maggie. So today I am going to be taking you through how I make my smoothies, and I try to replicate the ones that they have at Biola. The one today that I'm doing is the wild one, and it has orange, blueberry, strawberry, and banana. So yeah, let's get to it. So I have all my ingredients here. I'm not gonna add ice because my family, we just freeze our fruit anyways. And then this is obviously pre-frozen. And so this should work just fine without any ice. And then I just have an orange here because I don't have any orange juice, which is what it actually has in it, but this will just have to do. Okay guys, so for the smoothie, you don't really need that much. I obviously have big bags of stuff here, but this is just for next time. So since my stuff is frozen, breaking it apart just so that the blender has an easier time of mashing it up. But other than that, you're pretty set to go. For this blender, which is a Vitamix, I know that you have to add some sort of liquid to it. So I usually just add water, or if I want to do almond milk, I'll do that, or some people just put regular milk. But you can kind of put whatever liquid you want in it. It just has to have some, so that way it can actually blend. But yeah, I'm about to blend it, and I'll let you guys know how it looks when I get back. So just wanted to show you how much water I'm adding. You kind of have to add a good amount. Again, kind of seems like you wouldn't need to, but you just have to. And at Biola, they usually add the ice anyways, so it's kind of fulfilling that component of it. So yeah, here we go. So as you can see, it blended pretty well. It's probably a little bit thin, but that looks really good to me. So now we're gonna taste it. So here we have the final product. It took me probably 2 minutes to make this. So it's super fast, super easy. And if you're bored during this quarantine or during the summer, smoothies are always a go-to. So, actually tastes really good. Definitely not exactly like the one at Biola, but looking at the ones that we do have at school is an easy way to be inspired to make your own smoothies. So make sure you guys try it yourself. And also let me know if you guys want to see DBC do some cooking, because I would love to. All right guys, see ya.